Thanks for joining us at ISE Show TV. We're here at the PowerSoft stand. I'm here with Davide. Welcome, Davide.
Welcome, Paul. Thanks for joining ISE.
Thank you for having me. We're here to talk about AnyMATE, which I know a bit about, but it's a kind of really new concept, I think, in the audio world. Could you explain what it is, please?
Yeah, this year we are introducing a new technology, and thanks to this technology that we are developing and we are patenting, so it's a patented technology by PowerSoft, we are able to provide data over the sound line, so over the speaker cable, basically. And this is opening a lot of possibility because we can create some endpoints to add in the audio line. For example, SpeakerMate, the ones that I have in my hands, that allow us to communicate directly with the amplifier and to exchange data. Thinking to bring the intelligence to a speaker level, so to a passive component. The speaker is a passive component that doesn't have any intelligence, doesn't have any data to communicate to the amplifier and to the system, of course, for monitoring and diagnostic. But thanks to SpeakerMate, using the AnyMATE technology, we can do this. So we are able to identify and to speak with any passive loudspeaker in the system.
So this opens up a whole world of kind of remote monitoring possibilities, isn't it?
Absolutely, yes, and it's solving huge problems, especially when you have high impedance line with a lot of speakers, huge spaces, and you don't know if a speaker is for really working or not. With the SpeakerMate, you don't have to walk around and go across all your, I don't know, theme park, airport, mall, hotels, whatever is your installation, to check and listen if the speaker is working or not.
Sure. And one of the interesting aspects for me is that the fact that it doesn't just work on brand new equipment, it can work on sometimes existing legacy equipment, can't it?
Absolutely. It's a PowerSoft technology, so it must be supported by all PowerSoft current product. As a first delivery, it will be the Unica platform, because of course it's our platform, the newest one. It will give the best performances, but we are planning to extend also to all the other series that we have active.
Fantastic. And you see this as really solving a problem then for installers?
Yeah. It's not only for the installers, it could be also applied to rental companies, to the live world and the touring world, because we can also think about a built-in application. So these components can be embedded inside the loudspeakers and will provide all the series of logging and data to the, for example, company owner, to the production tour, when the system is coming back to the warehouse and they need to check every speaker, they need to listen if maybe during the last concert something bad happened. With this, it's easy. You know immediately if there is a problem or not.
Fantastic. Davide, it's really great to see a genuine new technology. I have people telling me there are new technologies all the time, and they really aren't, but this feels like a genuine kind of step forward. Davide, it's been great to talk to you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Paul.